Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get one of the best and newest ways to make money on Clickbank, and that is with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are 60-second or less videos that YouTube is really pushing right now, so you can get a lot of views and potentially make a lot of sales. This is working really well for people. It doesn't matter if you have any experience or technical skills, I promise you can do this. And in this video you'll get a step-by-step tutorial exactly how you can do this, and make sure you stick around to the end because you want to make sure you listen to all the steps. You can start this today and potentially be making money every single month. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, first of all, you need to find videos that will get a lot of views, like this channel in the fitness niche. And this channel only started in 2020. And look at all the views their top videos have gotten. But you need to be careful in using content that's not yours, even though you give credit in the description. I found a channel recently in the fitness niche that got terminated because they had too many copyright strikes. So just do the work, create original content, and you'll be fine. I'm going to share with you how you do that. Besides the health and fitness niche, other profitable niches are the relationship niche, dating niche, make money online, weight loss, and dog training. Stick around because you're going to learn a place to get free templates and you don't ever need to show your face. So after you decide what your channel will be about, you'll find keywords that are highly searched with not a lot of competition, so it'll be easier for you to rank. You can get ideas of videos by going to YouTube and searching hashtag shorts and then a space and the plus sign, and then you can see what's already being searched, or you can put in your keyword here. The best way I think is to use a free tool called vidIQ and search keywords in your niche. A keyword I found in the health and fitness niche is weak immune system, and you can see that it gets over 2,700 searches a month and it has low competition. Right now with the pandemic, there are a lot of people scared and a lot of people searching online on how to improve their immune system. You can see this keyword right here, how to boost immune system, gets over 7,000 searches a month and has medium competition. So we can combine these keywords to come up with a title like weak immune system, how to boost immune system, top 5 ways. Now let's head over to Clickbank and see what products we can find to promote in the description of our video. If you go to the marketplace and search immune system, you'll see this product right here. It's a really good product and it pays $68.48 a sale, so that's really good. And you can see that the sales page is really good here as well. They do have some really great affiliate tools also. Now, of course, your videos may not get a lot of views for a while, but imagine having a video that got, for example, 100,000 views, and maybe 1% of those people purchase this product right here. That could potentially be $68,000 from one video. So imagine if that same video got 1 million views. That one video could potentially make 10 times that amount, or $680,000. Now that would be pretty incredible, but it is possible. And now that we know what the topic of our video is going to be and have found a Clickbank product to promote, we need to find content and actually make the video. We will search on Google something like top 10 ways to boost your immune system. This is an article that I found. And of course, we're not going to copy this, but get ideas. I would only use 5 because we want our video to be less than 60 seconds. So here's what I came up with. Improve your health gut with all natural and unprocessed foods and take a probiotic every day. Work out on a regular basis, 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. Reduce your stress level with meditation every day, at least 15 minutes. Practice deep breathing throughout the day and make sure you get enough sleep. And now this is what's really cool. You can create professional looking videos with this free software in video.io that has templates. So let's go ahead and log in here, which I've already done, and then you click right here where it says pre-made templates. I'm going to leave a link below to this software and you can use it for free. It'll have a watermark on the videos, which is not a huge deal, but you can have it removed if you upgrade to the $15 a month, which I have. Plus there's a lot of different other features that come with it. So after you pick the pre-made templates, you want to click on vertical 916 right here because that's what you want for these YouTube shorts. And then you want to search right here for whatever your niche is. So we're going to search health. And you can see all the different templates that come up. They have 28 templates. I'm going to choose this one right here. And then just click on use this template. Then you'll go through and change the text and the videos to anything you want. So let's go ahead and go through this right now. We're going to add the title right here. So what you do to change it is you'll just click on it. Like I'm going to delete that. But right here, click on it and then click on text. And you can see over here on the left-hand side, it has the text that's already in there. But you just copy and paste whatever you want your text to be. And then we'll have to make this a little bit larger here. So that'll be the first scene. Then the next one, we're going to change this to our #1 way to boost the immune system. And then we'll take our first point right here, click where we want to change the text, then click on text, and then we'll just copy and paste it over here. But now this is talking about improving your gut health. So we want a video that has to do with food. So what you'll do is come over here and click on video, and then we'll search something like healthy food. And then you can just pick one of the videos and just drag it over to where the video is. And then it'll say, would you like to replace it or add it as a layer? We're going to replace it. And then you want to click on trim video to fit scene, and then done. And I actually look like I don't really like that one. I'm going to put a different one in there. Okay, so I like how that looks. And then you'll repeat that for all the other 5 points. So I won't go through all of those, but it's easy to change whatever's in there. You can change the font, the color, whatever you want. But then at the very end, we need to add a call to action. So what we're going to do is add a scene. We're just going to have a blank scene. And so right here you can build your scene. And this is where we want to direct people to the Clickbank product. We're going to write something like, to learn how 70% of your immune system is in the gut, click the first link below. We're going to get rid of this logo right here. And then we're just going to make this a little bit bigger. We can put an image here and an arrow. So I would put something like, click on image, I would put something like yoga. This image right here, make that a little bit smaller, and then we can put an arrow here. Just click this arrow down here and you'll see stickers, and then you can search arrow, and we'll just put this arrow right here. So this will be the last part of our video. So if you play this through, you can see what the finished video looks like here. It's just 30 seconds long. Okay, so to upload it to YouTube, you just click on create right here, and then you'll just drag the video here and put your title right here, of course. Titles are really important, and it's good to include numbers if you can, like top 10 ways, top 5 ways. That really gets people's attention because they want to learn what are those 5 ways. You'll add the main keyword at the beginning of the title and also include it in a natural way in the description as you talk about how to boost the immune system, which I have done right here. I'm just going to copy and paste this. And the first link you want to put in the description of your video is your Clickbank product. So you go to Clickbank and just click on promote, and that'll get you your hop link right there. You put in your account nickname. Don't ask me why I use that nickname. I didn't even know that you couldn't change that later. Then you want to cloak it in a website like Bitly. So you just click on create, put your URL right here, and then click on create. And if you can, I would customize the back half of this with some sort of keyword like 5 ways to boost immune system. That'll just give you another place that you can put your keyword in there, and then just copy that, put it right here in the description of your video, the first part of it, and then you'll put something that promotes curiosity. Like we could write, learn why 70% of your immune system is in your gut. And then I like to add something that makes it stand out like this. Then down here where it says tags, we want to add keywords that we found in vidIQ, like weak immune system and how to boost immune system. Then we can also go to YouTube and search that keyword and find the top video that comes up. If we have vidIQ installed, you can see the tags that this video has used. So if you just click on this top video here and scroll down on the right hand side, you'll see their video tags. So you can choose the ones that are appropriate, like how to build strong immunity and how to boost immunity naturally. And you can add those in here as well. And then for the thumbnail, I would just go with the one that they already have chosen here, or you can click on some of the other ones to use those. This one would probably be pretty good to use, as well as this one. Actually, I'd probably be using this one here. Then you just click on next. And monetization, that's if you do have your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you can turn that on, which I do. I can just click on next, and it's going to ask you if it's appropriate for YouTube. You'll just scroll to the bottom and say none of these apply, and then submit rating. That's if you have ads. And then you'll click on next, copyright check, click on next, and then you'll just click on public and save, and then it'll be live on YouTube. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money on Clickbank with this method. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $100 to $300 per day on Clickbank, another step-by-step tutorial. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.